What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the "Your Windows license will expire soon" error you are getting on your PC. This error usually pops up when there's an issue with the Windows activation or if the system is unable to verify the license. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below for more detailed information. Initially, we'll try restarting the Windows Explorer to refresh the system. Go to your Start menu, type Task Manager and hit Enter. In the Task Manager, under the Processes tab, locate Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select End Task. Now, click on File in the top left corner of the Task Manager and select Run New Task. In the pop-up window, type explorer.exe and hit Enter. This will restart the Windows Explorer service. When this is done, we'll make use of a command to reset the licensing status. Go back to the Start menu, type cmd, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type slmgr rearm and hit Enter. This command will reset the license status for your Windows operating system. Restart your PC and check if the error message has disappeared. If the previous methods don't work, let's try tweaking some group policies. Go to Start menu, type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update. Here, locate No Auto Restart with Logged On Users for scheduled automatic updates installations and double-click on it. Select Enabled, hit Apply and then OK. This setting prevents Windows from restarting automatically, which can sometimes trigger the error message. It's also good to check the activation status on your PC. Open up your Windows Settings app. From here, head to Update and Security, and then Activation. If your Windows license is not activated, you might need to enter a genuine product key or contact Microsoft support for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the "Your Windows license will expire soon" error. For a more in-depth guide, refer to the link in the description below. I hope this helps you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.